Hello everybody, welcome to the studio at Telltale Club. I've got a really nice ringtone for you today. It's a sexy ringtone. I sexed it up a bit. It's a Touch Me ringtone, sing-tone, full band, female vocal, backing chorus. That's what it's called. I like to get everything in the title because it really helps me later on when I'm, hunting around for stuff. I did want to just give you a quick tip actually. I lost today my volume control. When you're editing and you enable the editor on all your tracks, that like crisscross thing, and it was a ridiculous thing. Normally the most basic things are all up there, and you just click on them and you can sort out your volume or whatever it is it does. There's quite a few things on that basic one. Anyway, just a tip, guys: if you lose what you need, just go up to the question mark, because the question mark is really useful, and just tick on it, volume, and it comes up with, this is on Logic Pro, comes up with an arrow and it points to all the places where you're going to find volume related things, and it'll tell you on all the tabs which ones apply to the thing that you're looking for. So, at quick glance, I could see where I was going wrong there and where my volume had gone. And in fact, I didn't even study it. I just clicked on it and my volume arrived safely where it always is, of course. So today's free ringtone is by the Telltale Club, and the Beats Ministry. It's got a full band with a chorus backing vocal, so a more than one female vocal there, just to give it a little bit of texture, because you know what I'm like for texture. I'm going to be doing lots more singtones in the future, and the other more straightforward ringtones. But guys, if you're on YouTube, just go to YouTube. It's much easier to download this on YouTube and rip the audio, and then you can dissect the bits that you need. Okay, so well, that's enough, isn't it? That's enough intro. Let's do it. Touch